Here in the HTD showroom, we're really bringing a lot of new designs this market. So when we were trying to find the right product to have and use for the Arts Awards submissions, we thought, what kind of iconic product line items do we have that should be used? One of the selected items is going to be this very rustic but refined bar table, which has a cast iron base with a nice antique bronze finish, and this cappuccino marble is really quite marvelous. Another submission is going to be this new Bowery bar cabinet, which has completely recycled and reclaimed materials throughout its construction. This is another great example of 100% recycled product. The teak wood on the top has been recycled, all the iron is recycled. Even these pieces are made out of old bolts and small pieces of metal. It's really been a top seller in the past year or so since we introduced it. We've been looking to make more game tables, which a good example would be this poker table with the marble top. Again, 100% recycled and reclaimed materials, recycled iron for the base, or reclaimed teak for the wood, and then the marble is a naturally sourced piece of marble. This really top-selling accent chair, which is covered in top grain leather, the hand-washed finish. Each piece is slightly different, but the colors match, so that's just part of the element to give enough texture and balance to the overall look. This sideboard ties in with the Bowery bar cabinet. It has the option to have either glass here and glass here, or the metal and the glass. One of our new introductions this year, we had a lot of luck with our folding director's chair with the leather, and we wanted to expand on that and capture some of our historical, Texas background with a nice hair-on cowhide version of our director's chair, which is a really neat piece because you can just fold it up like that and you can put it in your closet. You can take it to the tailgating and you've got a perfect chair once you open it up. It's very comfortable. Let's see. Like that. Yeah, this marble is a very beautiful and unique type of marble. So we just thought this would make an excellent, cafe type dining table and or bistro table. And with the cast base, really complements this coloration in the marble. It really gives it a beautiful look. The cast iron, of course, being completely hand casted in sand molds. Coming over here, one of our more interesting new introductions this year includes the Fleur collection, which is a new collection of bone inlay pieces. We've taken styles of the past, merged them together with more practical sizes and proportions for the modern home. It's had a good response here at market. It's good value, solid mango with the bone and resin inlays on the door here. And of course built to our heirloom quality standards. Coming in this room, we have more really interesting marble pieces. It has a lot of mica and other minerals deposited in this marble, so it's quite a fresh look on what's become really popular these days with the marble tables. This new Dover chair is new for market. It's the same model, but with a new antique black hand-washed leather. Also in a counter height version. Great accent for a more refined look.